Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of quality on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Facebook app and you can click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.